Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to check your storage on your Meta Quest 3. So at first, just take out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as you open the navigation bar, you can see the navigation bar right here. And after that, just open your settings. As you can see your settings right here, if you don't see it, don't panic. Just go on the quick settings and go on the settings from here. And as you open your settings, you can see the option storage right here. Either you can just check it from here or just go inside it. So you can go inside to check in the details. So guys, that's how you check your storage on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.